Dig Safe Tips. How to recognize a natural gas line. Locates show the approximate position of natural gas and other lines on your property. They indicate where it's safe to dig, where to avoid digging, and where to dig by hand. So, what does a natural gas line look like? Several types of gas lines may run below your property. If a main gas line runs across your property, it could be as wide as 30 centimeters. Lines running to your gas meter range from 1 to 5 centimeters wide. Natural gas lines are typically made of steel or polyethylene. They're often installed with tracer wire to help Enbridge Gas locate them. Natural gas lines are made of sturdy, durable materials, but it's still important to dig carefully around them. The weight of a person on a shovel can puncture a pressurized natural gas line. Damaging a buried line can cause serious injury and leave you accountable for expensive repairs. It can even be fatal. As you dig, if you see a line that you're unsure of, stop work immediately and contact Enbridge Gas. It's better to know what's below and avoid serious injury and damage. For more safe digging tips, visit enbridgegas.com/digsafe.